Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log out of Trust Wallet. So let's get started. At first, let's get into this Trust Wallet app. Make sure you have logged in. Now in the top left corner, we can see this setting icon. So tap on this and click on Wallets. And click on these three dots. Here, we'll get a secret phrase and we need to keep a backup or simply copy this. So you can do a manual copy or add in Google Drive as well. So let's go for manual for now and tick mark in all of this and click on continue. Now we need to simply click on this delete icon in the top right corner. Click on delete. So now we are logged out of our Trust Wallet interface. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.